Hi, everyone. So I am Judy Newton. I live in Brooklyn, New York, and I am a first responder. I've been a first responder since July of 1984, and I'm formerly with the NYPD, and that helps being a first responder. I am retired now, and I have continued my public service work to the community. So I love the presentations, all of the presentations that the kids have performed. Being a first responder here for me means a lot. We are in the middle of a Category 4 hurricane now in Louisiana, and it's on the 16th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. Some of us are old enough to remember that hurricane, and I was a responder there. I spent some time in New Orleans with assisting victims of Hurricane Katrina. But so I currently am a first responder with New York City Office of go bags. I love what everyone had in their bags. And this is one of my identifications that I have. I am a community emergency response person. And I just wanted to very quickly speak of a listing of items that are in my go bag. You see, it says CERT, Community Emergency Response Team. And I am part of a team here in Brooklyn, and we respond to disasters. Or we respond to disasters where we do search and rescue or recovery. Now, this is my state go bag. So you see, I have two knapsacks. And the reason why I have knapsacks and you can still help even saving a drowning victim or someone. So going back to the items that everyone had in their go bags, I'm very impressed, and I want to thank everyone for their public service. And I'll just give you a listing of some of the things that I carry in my bag. My bag is very heavy. It probably weighs about 60 pounds. The most important thing I think that I have in my bag is my identification for the city and state, toilet paper. That's something that all of us need. Water. I have dust masks. I have a knife, canned food, and I have a can opener with that food. I have infant formula just in case someone's baby need food. I mean, it's a disaster, and sometimes we lose things. Another important thing is to have, I heard someone speaking of passports, your bank account records, all your identifications, your insurance policies, and you can place those items. You can also copy them, and you can place those items in waterproof containers and put those items in your bag because you will need them. And if you have the ability to scan those documents, you can also scan them into your emails, so you will have a record of them, your credit cards. So everything goes in an airtight waterproof container. And we all know how important the family documents are. Feminine supplies for yourself or someone else. You will need paper, a pen, pencil. I have a book, at least one game, a few puzzles. Very important, I have a whistle where I can signal for help. I have a poncho and a plastic wrap. It's a plastic tablecloth with duct tape. So if I have to wrap myself or wrap someone up for warmth, I have those things in my bag. The good and true model of a flashlight. I have a first aid kit, a battery powered hand crank radio. I have in both of my bags. And we can't forget our prescription medications. So, and it doesn't have, you don't have to carry 60 pounds, but that is what I carry. I carry everything but the kitchen sink. You can fit a lot of items, light items in your knapsack if you get a knapsack and just strap it onto your back. But yeah, so things like medication and your documents are very important.